Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the environment. Create a virtualenv and install the appropriate driver for your database. Once done, gather the connection details, host, port, database name, user, password, plus any SSL configs, because you will need them immediately. Make sure to choose whether to use low-level DB API calls or SQLAlchzyme ORM. This decision changes how you structure your code. Begin a small test script now, so you see connection errors early rather than later. Next, build a connection string or create an SQLAlchzyme engine, and then open a connection or session. Execute parameterized queries to avoid injection. Pass parameters separately so the driver handles quoting. Use transactions explicitly. Begin, then commit when work succeeds and roll back on exceptions. Fetch rows with cursor. Fetch all or iterate for large sets, and map results to DICs or data classes if needed. If using SQLAlchzyme, leverage sessions and the ORM for cleaner object mapping. Finish by ensuring you close cursors and connections. Prefer context managers so resources are released automatically. Test your code end-to-end against a staging database and add logging for executed SQL and exceptions so you can replay failures. Configure connection pooling for apps with concurrency and tune pool size. If something goes wrong, start with authentication and network checks, then confirm the driver matches the database and SSL settings. This single troubleshooting tip: check driver/SSL/port mismatch first.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.